you don't know how to explain why you're crying, but you just feel like crying. So it was that. Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Welcome to another off day in my life. Actually, I did not make the intro of this video earlier because I was feeling really low. I'm far better now, but in the morning I was already feeling very low. That's why I did not make the intro. I had my lunch already and I'm much better now. Actually, I came yesterday only from my flight yesterday morning, and I slept after that because I had flight at night the day before. Because of that, my sleep schedule has completely changed and I was feeling very low in the morning this morning also. I just realized I had ordered few things yesterday from Big Basket and I received it this morning. I ordered rolled oats. In my last video I mentioned that I wanted to try overnight oats, but I did not buy it from the mall, so I ordered it online. This is rolled oats. This is for for breakfast, for making overnight oats, and I'm really excited about this. Next, I'll show you quickly these two things. This is face wash, so this is the one which I use. This is from Cetaphil, and I ordered cinnamon powder, and I ordered cinnamon powder also to add it to my overnight oats. So this is the one, and I've ordered iced tray also because I want to make iced coffee. It's 4:50. It's 4:53 right now and I'm still feeling low on energy. Honestly, this morning when I woke up, I had decided that somehow I would not be making video today, but I think I shouldn't stop making videos because camera is one such thing. I get very comfortable to the camera in today's time where people don't listen to you. They just talk their own individual thing and they just leave. Camera is one thing which actually listens. You just have to turn it on and you can keep on talking. It makes you feel better. It makes me feel better, so I think I should express it more and I will do what makes me happy, that is talking to the camera, and I'm going to make more videos. I just took shower and it's time to do some skincare right now. I'm going to talk about this book in the later part of the video. While I was reading the book, I realized that it had been so long that I have not eaten momo and I had a sudden craving for momo, so we ordered, me and my flatmates. I received my ice tray also, which I had ordered from Big Basket. And of course, this was bound to happen. After eating momo, I felt really full, so I took a walk in the house for around good 10 to 15 minutes. I've used a bowl so that will be easier for me. I've taken 1.5, and equal to that I've added milk. I've watched multiple recipes of overnight oats and I think it's quite easy to make, adding honey also. To that I've added 1.5 tablespoon of chia seeds, almost 2, and some cinnamon powder. After that, mix it really well. You can add fruits also, but I'm going to add it tomorrow itself, so it's ready to be kept in the fridge. Hello everyone, it's the next day and today is not my off exactly. Today I have standby, which means I can get a flight, but I have not got any flight till now. I think I can make out from my face already that I had a breakdown yesterday. Yes, I was feeling very low the whole day, and I think it was needed also because I feel much better now after that. I was reading the book, and this book is very addictive. I think I've reached like 1/3 of this, but yeah, this book is really good, and there are many points here like what is law of vibration and what self-love is. It talks a lot about self-love. I'm not someone who reads book honestly. I have read a few novels which was during my school, but after that, I've not read any book on it. This is my first time, and I think I should start reading books a lot more. I'm someone who always that wants to see me doing better in life each day. I want to be a better person each day, and I think I should start reading books now because it teaches you a lot of things. And but at times I overthink a lot also, and I think books will make me feel better whenever I'm feeling low, or in general also. I'll start reading books from now on. I'm gonna drink coffee right now. Also, I'm gonna have overnight oats which I made last night, and I'll just top it up with some fruits. So yeah, I'm excited. Also about the breakdown, you don't know exactly what's going on, but you just feel like crying. I don't know how to explain this. Many people will not understand, but you don't know how to explain why you're crying, but you just feel like crying. So it was that. I was totally unaware of what was going to happen, what God had planned for me. And I was having my breakfast and I was using my phone. I saw that all of a sudden my, roster had changed, and only today I had standby. But from tomorrow I had a different flights and everything was reserved. But all of a sudden, everything for 3 days it got changed, and I got Dubai layover. I got really excited because sometimes things go certain way that you're already prepared for it, but I was not prepared at all. It happened all of a sudden and I got really really happy. I was really sad, and all of a sudden I was filled with happiness, joy. I was really excited and I had a really really good time in Dubai. So sometimes you never know what God has planned for you. I'm really happy. I'm really feeling really positive. And yeah, this is it for this video. Thank you for watching.